Here I am again. I stayed in Quito one night and done nothing. Woke up raining, so best thing to do, get on the train. Get on the train and see what I can, how far I can go. Right, I've got 4 tickets in a row. Should take me from Quito to Tokyo, Tokyo to somewhere else, and connect that with then I can't remember, North Sorosto, something like that, can't remember, put the ticket away. 14 hours, the last one's overnight, so I'll get to sleep, save some money. Awesome. See you later. Oh look, running. Nice little village.